Hello everyone and welcome to this video where I will walk you through how to make the most of the social media planner template. In this short tutorial, I will show you how to navigate the key features, customize it to suit your needs, and get started quickly. So let's dive in and help you make the most of your new tool. Here we have the dashboard of the template. At the left, quick action buttons if you want to add directly new post or if you want to store any new idea. If you want to add new task or resource, just click on one of these buttons here. We have also the navigation bar on the left. It have all the pages of the template. We have also the upcoming posts view today and the next 7 days. So in today view, we can see the post that we need to publish for today and also the overdue post like you see here. This one is an overdue post. Also, once we change the status here to publish, they will be gone from here and we can find them in the published section in plan and schedule here. We have also, so this view is for today, and we have also a view for the next 7 days post, like this. And always the post that will appear here, they will have the status ready for publishing. So we have, this is the phases that we have. First idea, then in research, then ready for publishing, and then published. We have also a section for today's task. As you see, this one is overdue. So this view here will show the today's task and the overdue one, like you see here. So this one is for today. We can always reschedule the task by clicking on the date and then changing it. If we open the task like this, we can see much more details. We can link the task to a post. Like we could have a post or an idea linked with so many tasks. We could write a description. Also, we could assign the task to someone. From here, we can choose. Uh, we can set the priority, and if we want to embed any attachment here, and also we can change the status. So if it's in progress, we change it in progress, and if it's done, we change it to done. And the done task will be stored inside the task manager in a done task view. So we have, this is a general view. We have a view by priority, like this one. Also, we have another view by status. So in this view, you can just click, drag and drop like this to change the status of the task, like this. And once the task is done, you drag it to done, and they will be stored inside the task manager, the done tasks. You could also see the task by posts. So for each post, we could create so many tasks, like if we have a certain thing to accomplish. So here, as you see, this is a notification center that will show the overdue task and the task to accomplish today. We can see the post that we need to publish today, the overdue post, and the post in progress, meaning in research. So as you see, uh, we have one post to accomplish to post today, and we have one overdue post, and also one task to accomplish today. Here we have our platforms. I will explain them by details later. So for example, this is Instagram. If we click on it, the page will be opened in a full page format. And inside, we will see the information just related to this platform. We have the navigation also, the today's post. We have a content pipeline, important link, the content calendar, weekly, monthly, and the published post, and also uh, to manage the ads inside this platform too. Platform objective, platform schedule, performance metrics, if you want to track them manually, of course. So I will get back to them and explain every section inside. So let's finish with the main page, the dashboard here. So this is the platform. They all have like the same structure, and they will have just the post ideas, tasks related to them inside. This is the content calendar. So if you want to reschedule, just drag and drop to change the date. You can see it monthly, weekly, and monthly like this. So to see the upcoming posts, and this is like for the vision, mission, and values of the agency, of your agency. So if you click on it, you can write inside your vision. Also, so this is the brand overview. It's related to your brand or your agency. You have to decide it. And we have at the end the objectives and the pinned resources. So you can pin some resources here so you can access them easily. How you pin a resource, you see this one. So you just check this box here once you create a resource, and it will appear automatically here. And we have also, this is the objectives. We could create objectives for each platform. We could create objectives and track them. So that was all the information about the main page. We could now go to the ideas page, this one. So this is your bank of ideas. So if you have any idea in mind, or you want to store or save any idea, you just click on this new idea button. So the page is loading. Uh, so like this, you click on this button here, and you will see here you give a name to your idea. So this is idea example, and then we link here we embed the link of the idea, and then we close like this. So after before closing, we can choose the platform. Like we can link the idea to a platform. So we will have a list from where we can choose our platform. So let's choose Instagram, for example, and then we close. So now we have, this is our bank of idea. We have it here, idea example, like this. And once we want to change the status, like to go to the next phase, so to do research before publishing it, we change the status to ready for publishing, to in research, and the idea will go to the next page, the plan and schedule here. And also, for example, so this is also the social platform inside. If we click on Instagram, we will see our idea inside. So this is the idea example, and this is the content pipeline. So from here, we can keep changing the status of the idea. This is our content pipeline. We could now change it to in research. And once it's in research, we can open it and start working on it. We choose the content type. Is it a video? The post theme. So promotional. We can here add new hashtags. So if you want to add a new hashtag, you just click on write it like this, example, and click on create, and you will have it here along with the others. If you want to upload any files or media, if you want to write the description, and if you want to set up a post publish date from here, so it's for tomorrow, all right? And now we change the title to the title of the post, and if you want to assign it If you want to assign it to a person in your team, you will, after inviting them, you could choose from here. And here, after publishing, you could check this box here. I will explain advertising later how to work with it. So inside the post, or that was idea before, we could create tasks to accomplish them. So how we create task? By clicking new page here, and we add a priority, and we add someone to assign the task to, and then we choose a due date like this one. So it's for today, like this, and we will see our post like this one. Inside, we could write the details about the post title, the script, if we have any notes, if you want to embed any visual elements, and you could write some analytics inside after publishing the post. After this, we close like this, and we keep tracking the content pipeline. So it's now we drag it to ready for publishing, and it will be gone, and it will be planned in the upcoming posts. So we will find it here on the next 7 days. So as you see, this is the ID example that this is the example that we've been working on. So we will find it on the next 7 days, like this. We could go back to the ideas page here. And here, so this is how we change an idea to something in research to ready for publishing and then publish later. So let's go to the next page, the plan and schedule page. So in this one, we can see the upcoming posts. So the same view, the today and also the next 7 days, right? And we have our post pipeline. So once we will see all of the in research post here, and we just if we for example if the published date for this post is today, right? We just drag and drop to ready for publishing, and we will find it here on today. So this is post number 3, as you see here. If we want to change the status to in research again, we just click here and then to in research, and we will find it right here. So it's pretty simple. After this, we can see post tasks. So for each post publication, we can see the list of the tasks that we need to accomplish. We could also, if we want, add directly a post from here to the post status. So for example, if we click on this button here, new post, by default, the status of the post will be in research. So it won't go to the bank of idea. And we will choose, we will fill out all the information like this. We choose the platform, the content type, the hashtags, files and media, and so on. And here we will see the related tasks to each post. Here we have our post calendar, so we can see weekly and monthly. And once we can also change the status from here. So for example, if it's we click on it and change it to published. Once a post is published, he will be moved to the published posts below the calendar here. So it's loaded. So we will find it here. We will find a list of our posts, right? By months. So this post was for September, this one for October, and so on. We need just to click on this triangle here. Now, and this one is also the same platforms that we have. We can access them from any page. So as you see, we have a view of the platforms inside the ideas and also inside the navigation, the plan and schedule, and also in the main page. Now let's go to the task manager page here. So here we have, so the page is loading. So we have all the navigation bar on the left with the page that we need to access the ideas, plan, brand identity, task manager. So those pages are the same on every page. We have the today's tasks, general view, by priority, by status, and also by posts, like this. And we can change it, click on not started, and we change the status until we accomplish the task. Here we have the next 7 days task. So this is the upcoming tasks. And also, so for example, if the date for this one was next Monday, we will find it on the next 7 days. And also we can see how many days left. So like this. We have a calendar to keep tracking the dates also here. It's a widget. This is also a calendar view, weekly and monthly, right? And this is the view for the completed tasks if you want to review them. So you can access them from here. So you can see for each month how many tasks have you accomplished. And then we close. Now let's go to the brand identity page here. So the page is loading. So here we write the vision, mission, values of the brand, and we can store our important documents and resources. And we have an inspiration board on the right. Here we can upload images based on your preference. So for example, if you click on this one, all you need to do, you see this more property, just click on it, and then you see this one, cover. You click on it, and then click on this three button here to delete the current image and embed the image that you want, and add a file or image to add the image that you want, and then you close from here. Here we have documents and resources by type. So you can also add new type if you want. So if you want to add any new resource or document, just click here. And then choose the category. If you want to add a new one, just give it the name and then click on create. So let's choose Lego documents, and then if you have any link, and then if you want to upload any file, and then if you want this resource to appear on the main page, just pin it from here, check this box. And you will find them always here, like this. You can see them by created date. Here you can embed your logo if you have any logo variation, your brand colors and brand fonts. You can also replace those image by clicking on this three button here and then on replace and then upload the file. So this one was the brand identity page. So let's go to the content strategy. So the page is loading. So here we have the same navigation bar, and we have, so this is the ICP. So our ideal customer, we could create persona for them. So if we want to create new persona, we just click on here, new persona, and then we choose we fill out the information, the gender, the age, the language, the location, the interest. We write the interest here. So example one, and so on. The pain points, the spend and power. Uh, if you want to add any link from this, and then you have like a list of questions like to answer them to have your persona ready, like so you can have all the details about your ideal customer from here or client. So you just need to answer this question here. And then you close, and then you will have it here on this view. After this, we have a SWOT analysis to analyze your strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. So you just click on it, and you have a list of questions to answer them. So you can define your strengths and weakness and so on, like this. We have also, this is objectives. So we can have them, this is a list of objectives. And the objectives are measured by key results. So for each objectives, we can have some key results that we need to accomplish. So we can see the overall progress of the objective. So let's take an example and create new objectives. And you have the choice if you want to link it to a platform or keep it general. So for me, I will link it to a platform, and then choose a start date, and then a due date. After this, we create key results. So in here, uh, we need to create key results by clicking, we have the choice. We can like create them from here by new key results, and then, so this is new key result one, and we could link it to our objective that we have just created. So the list is loading. So this is the new objective that we have just created, like this. We could upload some files if we want, and then we close. And we will find our objectives here. We will have a view by status if you want to drag and drop, right? Once it's done, we move it to the done, and we will find it here on the completed objective section, here on this view here. So after this, in here we have, so you can see we will have the objectives here and the key result below it, and then we need to check like this. So, and you can see this will be updated automatically. So we click on this. Once we complete it, we move it to the done, like this. And the project will be automatically stored in this view here. See? And you can keep creating as many key results as you want for each objective. We have also competitor analysis, so you could create a competitor by just clicking here on your page, and then you keep filling this information here, choosing the platform, and then writing the information that you want about your competitor. And also, if you want to add any information inside, you can add it. So we can have competitor analysis in this general view, and also by platforms like this. And also we have the social media audit. So if you want to do an audit for your social platforms, so you just need to check this if this is done for every platform. So let's take this one as an example. So links, website contacts are correct. So you need to check on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, X, YouTube, etc. So you need to, and you will have a list from where of you to see which area require your attention the most. So, for example, we have a gallery view and we have a table view. So you can choose the view that suits you the most and work with it. So this was like for the content strategy. Uh, and lastly, we have the advertising page here. So here you need to go the first page. We have the navigation if you want to go to the home page, and if you want to add new ad spend, you just click on this button here. We had an ads overview. This view show this month's ads, and this one show all, and this one set up the ads. So once the post is published, we will find it here. After we will have the post here, and we can choose and the ad duration from here. So to choose ad duration, we just click on include time. We choose end date. We choose a start date and then an end date from here, and then we click on advertising like this, and we'll go to this month ads. We will find it here, as you see, and you can see the total ad spend. If we click on new ad spend here, so if you want to log any expenses, right, we click on new ad spend, we write the amount, we choose the date, the platform also, and then the post. So this is the post number 4, and then we close. And this one, so you can see it here on the ad spend overview. So it's here. You can see all your ads spent here for this month and then all by month. And you can see it here on this month's ads. So it will calculate the sum here of all this month's total ad spent from here. And this is a view for all your advertising. So you can see. So once you have, you don't want the ads, once the campaign have stopped, you can uncheck this box here to stop the ads like this. So it's pretty simple. And I get back now. I undo it. So you can see here on the ads calendar, you can see your ads campaign, the start date and the end date here. If you want to, once the, as I said, once the campaign is finished, you can uncheck this box to stop the ads like this. So this was all the pages of the template. Also, we have here the instructions. So if you want, like, if you have any difficulties or to set up your account and main, if any section you didn't know how to use it on the main page, on the task manager, on any of the page of the template, you can just came to the instruction page and then click on any, for example, let's say it's advertising, you click on it and you will see the details about how you can set up your ads for the posts like this with images that will explain it. And this is for all the other pages, the brand identity, all of it. If you want to go to the home page, just click on this. So now I will explain quickly the the template of the platforms. So if you click on any platform, you will find the same structure inside. You will see the pages that we have explained. We'll see today's post for today. In the next 7 days, you will have a view. The content pipeline. Once a post is ready for publishing, uh, like this, you just drag it to ready for publishing, and you will find it here on today. If you have any important link, you could embed them here, right? And you have a content calendar also here, weekly and monthly, right? The published posts here by month. You just click on this triangle here, and you have this month's ads post, so it will show just this month, and this month's ad spend. You will see it here. So, for example, once you have accomplished the ads, you just uncheck this box to clear this place here. You can see also the platform objectives by status and the completed one. You can set up your schedule by choosing the time and the post frequency for by the day of the week. And you can also track your metrics from here, like for January, track the number of followers, like clicks, etc. If you want, you can change the name of the property if you want to change them. Or if you want to delete them, you just click on this button here and then on delete. So basically, this is the structure of the template of each social media platform. So you can also use this new post, new idea, or new ad spend from here. And to go back to the homepage, you just click on homepage from here, and you will go to the homepage. So basically, this is the social media planner template. I hope you use it like for it benefits you, and I hope my explanation was clear. And also, if you have any issues, you can always go back to the instruction page to solve the problems. So thank you again for your purchase, and enjoy using the template.